Exercise 12. Use the Thesaurus and set proofing option, part of the Word 2007 Core Preparation Guide brought to you by Shiftkey Solutions. In this exercise, we'll be using the Thesaurus to replace words, along with applying the Readability Statistics dialog box. Step 1 of Exercise 12 tells us to scroll to page 2. And then we're going to look for the title here, Speakers and Performers section. And I want to look for another word for performers. So I'm going to select this word performers, and on the Review tab, in the Proofing group, I'm going to click Thesaurus. When I do, I get my Research task pane that opens up here to the left. And it'll show me that performers has been identified. So I'm going to click performers one time, and it gives me a list of other names or other words that represent performers or can be replaced with performers. Step 4 tells me to come to entertainers and click the drop down arrow for entertainers and click insert. When I click this, the word performer is replaced. Step 5 tells me to come to the paragraph that begins games are played right here and look for the word in the second sentence called specialist. So I'm going to select this word specialist. I'm going to right click on it and choose lookup from my shortcut menu. And when I do, it shows me the word specialist right here. So if I click this, it'll give me a list of replacement words for the word specialist. What I want to do is replace the word specialist with expert. So I'll click the drop down here and choose insert, and the word specialist is replaced. Naturally, I'll want to capitalize this word. Next, I'm going to close my research pane. Now, I want to go to my Review tab, and in my Proofing group, I'm going to click Word Count. When I do, I get my Word Count dialog box here. It gives me some general statistics of my document, which includes page count, word count, characters with no spaces, characters with spaces, paragraphs, and lines. So I'm going to click this, and I want to apply the Readability Statistics dialog box, which gives me more information. In order to activate this, I'm going to go to my Office button and then come down to my Word options. From here, I'm going to go to my Proofing, and then down here under When Correcting Spelling and Grammar in Word, I'm going to choose Show Readability Statistics and then click OK. Now I'll come back to my Review tab, and in my Proofing group I'm going to click Spelling and Grammar. When I do, it identifies a possible grammar error. Instead of experts are, it's telling me I may want to choose experts is. Well, I don't want that, so I'm going to choose ignore once. And when I do, here's Readability Statistics dialog box, which includes a count of my page, averages, and readability. I'm going to click OK to close this, and then click Save. That concludes Exercise 12 using the Thesaurus and setting proofing options. Thanks for joining me. Next, Exercise 13, calculate using table formulas.